Full Windows 11 Backup and Restore Guide, 2026. Using AOMEI Backupper, free and powerful. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a full backup of Windows 11 using one of the best free backup tools available in 2026, called AOMEI Backupper. This method is extremely important if you want to protect your system from Windows crashes, failed updates, viruses or ransomware, system corruption, accidental file deletion, or even a complete system failure. By the end of this video, you will know what AOMEI Backupper is, how to create a full system backup, where to store the backup safely, how to restore Windows 11 using the backup, and how to recover your system even if Windows does not boot. This tutorial works perfectly on Windows 11, and it is also compatible with Windows 10. What is AOMEI Backupper? AOMEI Backupper is a free and professional backup software for Windows. It allows you to create a full system image, backup your entire Windows installation, backup your personal files, clone disks, restore your system in minutes. The best part is, backhand index pointing right, the free version is more than enough for system backup and restore. No subscription, no watermark, no limitations for basic users. Why you should backup Windows 11? Many people wait until something goes wrong, and then it's too late. A backup allows you to restore Windows exactly as it was. Keep all programs, drivers, and settings. Avoid reinstalling Windows from scratch. Save hours or even days of work. Think of a backup as a time machine for your computer. Step 1. Download and install AOMEI Backupper. Open your web browser. Search for AOMEI Backupper free. Download the latest version. Install the program normally. Launch AOMEI Backupper. Once opened, you will see a clean and simple interface. Step 2. Create a full system backup. Now let's create the most important backup, System Backup. Click on Backup. Select System Backup. AOMEI automatically selects Windows System Files, Boot Partitions, EFI and Recovery Partitions. You do not need to select anything manually. Step 3. Choose the backup destination. This step is very important. You should store your backup on an external hard drive, a USB drive, or a secondary internal disk. Warning: do not store the backup on the same drive as Windows. Select your destination folder, then click Start Backup. Step 4. Backup Process. The backup process will start. Depending on your disk speed, system size, it may take from a few minutes to longer. You can still use your computer while the backup is running. Once finished, you will see a backup completed successfully message. Party Popper, congratulations! Step 5. Create a bootable recovery USB. Very important. This step can save you if Windows refuses to boot. Go to Tools. Click Create Bootable Media. Choose Windows PE. Insert a USB flash drive. Create the bootable media. This USB allows you to restore your system even if Windows is completely broken. How to restore Windows 11 using the backup. Scenario 1. Windows still boots. If Windows still works, open AOMEI Backupper. Click Restore. Select your system backup. Choose Restore this system backup. Confirm and start restoration. Your PC will reboot and restore automatically. Scenario 2. Windows does not boot. If Windows is not booting at all, insert the bootable USB. Boot from the USB. AOMEI Backupper will load. Click Restore. Select your backup image. Choose the system disk. Start Restore. After completion, remove the USB and restart. Your system will return exactly as it was on backup day. Important tips for 2026. Create a backup at least once a month. Create a backup before major Windows updates. Installing drivers. Installing new software. Store backups on an external drive. Keep more than one backup if possible. Final thoughts. AOMEI Backupper is one of the best free backup solutions for Windows 11 in 2026. It is free, fast, reliable, beginner-friendly, extremely powerful. If you value your data and your time, never use Windows without backups. If this video helped you, like the video, thumbs up. Subscribe for more Windows tips bell. Share this video with someone who needs it.